Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, and our chapter name is Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Okay, then let's start reading, my dears. Okay, Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Caw, caw, go away, this is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Caw, caw, go, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He pecked the balloons with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Pop! Caw, said the crow. And he fell off the tree. Caw, caw, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Mittu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever Mittu. Do you like this story, my dears? Okay, dear children, then let's do the textual activities. Okay. Look, first topic is new words. Just say with me these words. Okay. First word, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Second word, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Third word, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Our next word is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Clear? Okay, dears. Then let's do the next activity, my dears. Okay. Our next activity is reading is fun. Our first question is, what did Mittu see on the tree? Can you say, what did Mittu see on the tree? Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Right? Yeah, dears. Our next question is, what did the big black crow say? The big black crow told Mittu to go away. Are you clear? The big black crow told Mittu to go away. Okay. Our next question is, what did Mittu see under the tree? Can you say? Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Okay. Our next activity is, let's talk. Question number 1. Do you like eating mangoes? Same ideas? Do you like? Our next activity is, let's share. All of you just take the next page. Color the chilli red and the parrot in colors of your choice. This is your today's activity. Okay. You have one more activity here. Trace the path of the ladybug. This also do and send it to me. Are you clear? Okay, dears. Then take the next page. This activity also your activity. Okay. You should do this and send it to me. What is our activity? I just read the activity. Match the fruit and vegetables to the trees they grown on. First one I just tell. Okay. First word is banana. Banana you should match with a banana tree. Are you clear? Okay. Do like this way. Okay. Then send it to me. Then take the next page, my dears. Okay. Learn to write. What is our next activity? That is learn to write. Draw over the dotted lines. Okay. This also you should want to do. Okay. Just draw over the dotted lines and complete this picture and send it to me. Are you clear? Okay, dears. Then look, last activity. Choose a letter from the box and complete the words below. How we can do this activity? You know. See, first letter is A. Can you say which type of letters are these? These are vowel letters, right? Yeah, my dears, these are vowel letters. First letter is A. Then our first word is S-T. Can you say what is the answer? We want to write there letter A. Now we get the word is sat. Okay, then try to say next word, that is fan. Other words you should do and send it to me. Okay, dear children. Are you clear today's topic? Okay. We'll see you on next time. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you all.